States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chandigarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Sikkim, Jharkhand; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agastala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Kolkata, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Jharkhand; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agastala; Uttarakhand, Lehadu; Uttar Pradesh, Naglo; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
National festivals.
National Festival: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
National symbols. Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag.
Three colors.
National flower.
Lotus.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National animal. National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Brinjal.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Saffron, white and green.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanga, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Param Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishnara Pradham Singh, Chandrasekhar, T.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Dashavtar of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavadara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Nrsimha, Ramana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Planets in solar system.
9 planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Neptune, Pluto.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, Australia.
Indian festivals.
Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Deepavali, Dasara, Christmas, Holi, Eid and Pongal.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Good Friday, Maharam, Mahashivratri, Deepavali, Christmas and Eid.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, red, yellow, green and orange and green.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ: ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಿವನಂಕಾರ, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಯ್ಯಂಕ, ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್, ಅನಂತ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ ಕಂಬಾರ.
ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಇಯರ್:
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
ಡೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ವೀಕ್:
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
5 vowels: